Hi students, welcome back. Now we are back again with a new video for the convenience of our students on another step of how to use the website, the part 2. So in the previous video we have seen how to log in and how to create an account and how to add lessons and stuff. So now we are gonna watch it one by one, how we are gonna get into this. Okay, I'll use my Gmail account. I'm already registered here. So I'm using a password and logging in. Once you've logged in, you can see the set of teachers who we have. We have science, maths, business studies, English literature, ICT, Sinhala and history. So these are the subjects we have so far at Virtual Academy for ordinary level students. So let's say you want to select science. Here we have the same lesson. There are 2 batches going here so far, batch 1, batch 2. And there's another batch here, batch 3. You can select any one of the batches, check the time, check the date, and if you are convenient with any of the times mentioned here, you can join the class and click select lesson. Once you've selected the lesson, it will be showing as requested. If you have done a bank payment, you can use the choose file option here to upload your receipt, or else you can pay online. Let's go for the online payment. So here we say thank you, okay. Now go to online payment. Once you click the green tab here, it takes you to the payhere.lk. This is a safe way to pay, and I think you're familiar with this part on how to pay using card. Yes, you already got another video on how to use electronic cards such as debit or credit card to pay online. I won't be teaching that here. You can check the video in the description below. The link is available. You can go to the link and watch that video. That's how you get into a lesson here. Okay, once you completed the payment using the card, if you have seen the other video, you can understand how to do it. Once you have completed the payment, it will be showing here as paid, the green color box. And at this time, at this date, on 6:30 p.m., if you come here, you can see a red box here. Right here at this point, there will be a red color square which will indicate you to join the class. And another thing, some students had asked me what is the account number. Here we have the account mentioned here, the Virtual Realistic Academy, and the number, the bank and the branch. You can use it to deposit here. What else? Okay, let's go to the other classes. Select other subjects and see what they have. And here when you see maths, mathematics, you can select the lesson and do the same procedure for the pay. If you have paid using the bank slip, choose the file and select the file and upload. It says uploading, and yes. Once you upload it, it will take a small time for us to verify the payment. Now you can see here the payment receipt uploaded successfully. So it will take some time for us to check your payments and slips and stuff. So if it is not done within 24 to 48 hours, please feel free to contact us and check what has happened to your payments. You should have clarity for that. Okay. After you speak to us in case you haven't got the paid mark. So if you have verified the payment, you can refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, you can check that it is paid successfully. If this green appears, then okay, you will be getting the link to join the class. Same as that, you can do for all the teachers, for all the subjects. Here we have uploaded the timetable here, and the fees details are available inside each of the teachers. If you click on this, you can observe he's doing 2 subjects, English literature and business studies. You can select the lesson, make the payments online or offline. You can also make payments at our office. I think students should prefer the online payment much better. So once you have got the payments and got paid and verified and stuff, then you don't have to visit every teachers one by one for their classes. You have a separate dock here. Enter the active lessons. If you enter, it has all the lessons which you have added so far. So you can see I have added a free class earlier, and here we can see the max for the month of July. I've paid it just now. Here's another free class that we had added earlier for science. So here's the red box I told you, go to video lesson. If you click it, it will be linked to the Zoom and you can join the classes. Alright students, if you'll have any doubt, no worries, you can DM us at our Insta page, Virtual Academy Colombo, and you can also DM us to a hotline number we've mentioned in the description. And hope you enjoy studying a lot. Good luck students.